Okay, so let's take a look at how you can install Tusk, which is basically Evernote's app replacement. So here is the Tusk, which is not really replacement but Evernote's desktop alternative, right? So if you have Evernote and if you wish to sync it with Tusk and use it for storing your notes and data, you can use the Tusk. So what we can do is we are going to check the snap, right? So instead of just searching for Tusk, you can check for Tusk snap, right? So here you see the Tusk and here says the install option, so we'll just have to use sudo snap install Tusk, right? So let's minimize this and open terminal. Here I'm going to paste the command and hit enter, right? And here you can see it should go through snap repository and install the app. Okay, once installed, we can find this particular Tusk app within our show applications section. If you have this Ubuntu genome, so you will be able to see it over there, right? As you can see, Tusk is installed. Now let me minimize the terminal and go for show applications. Here I'll have to check the Tusk. It should be at the end and it should start. Right now, this is basically a desktop replacement, or sorry, the word instead of replacement, we can simply think of it as desktop version of Evernote, right? So instead of using the official version, we are using this alternative version, right? And here you see it started. Now all we have to do is we'll just have to log in and then continue. So the interface for this particular app would be from within desktop instead of web, right? It will allow some formatting options which are not available within Evernote's web version, right? And few options like having a theme, right? Then you have search, replace, navigation options, and few other options like launching it, etc. You can launch it during startup, minimize it, etc. right? So pretty much web-based version of unofficial version of Evernote desktop is Tusk. So you get the idea how to install this Tusk on Ubuntu.